All right, I think we have everything a go. Test the audio. Mic audio. All right, I think we have everything a go. All right, you guys can hear me. All right, let's see. I think I may finally be getting the 4-hour market maker sell side playing out. Let's retry everything. This was actually a 4-hour SMT on our with micro ES. So we'll go ahead and mark this out. Right. Told you guys I was looking for a 4-hour low risk entry for the sell side at 20,981, which was the bottom of the SIBI, 4-hour SIBI. We change this. There we are. 15 minutes. So it has been taking its time to push lower. Just some things I'm noticing is we had, this is our what is that? Our new week opening gap here. And it went up, tapped into that 4-hour SIBI, and it's just been gradually working itself down. I was able to take some partial profits. My stop is been able to move my stop into profit, and we'll see if the market will just continue to push lower without coming back to stop me out. I think this trade is, I think it's going to automatically close anyway when the market closes at 4:59 p.m. Eastern time. So we'll see. I mean, at this point, just kind of just watching the market, just doing my live journaling. Said I believe we're on a 4-hour market maker sell model. But relatively as well, we could be in a market maker buy model as well. Let's see. Be here. Not really linking up, are they? Sync this. Maybe date range to do it. All right, let's see. Well, it's pretty much all similar. And I'm talking in reference to an SMT. Let's see, did we get right here? No. Yeah, everything has been moving pretty in sync. I was also looking at ICT's personal model as well. Really can't tell the difference, but this is London right here. So we took out London highs before the start of the New York kill zone, which is 7 a.m. Eastern time. That's already went back up, ended again, tapping into that 4-hour civvy. And that's actually a wick on the 4-hour that you see here. But on the 15-minute, it closed above these 15-minute highs and then started working its way back down. We had, let's see, so the 9:30 15 the 15-minute 9:30 candle was bullish. It took us up, and then the 15-minute 9:45 candle gave us a change in the state of delivery. We had a retest of that change in state of delivery on the 15-minute 11:30 candle, and it's been pushing down. So hopefully, let's see, the first 15-minute civvy was here. It's the first 15-minute civvy, and the consequent encroachment was breached. But it seems like this 15-minute civvy is being respected. But I like to see him like tapped in and then pushed out, similar to what the 4-hour candle did here. Tapped into the civvy. It pushed further up. Let's see, was that the first? Yeah, it just kind of retested this 10 a.m. 4-hour candle from November 13th. That's a 4-hour breaker. It's a 4-hour breaker. All right. Price broke it at 10 a.m. November 14th. Came back and retested it on the 2 p.m. 4-hour candle on the same day, November 14th. Now we got a second test of it. We're also respecting this 4-hour civvy. So we'll see. The market has just been acting really funny today. A couple of 15-minute high volume candles to the downside. It was at 9:45 and 10. Probably caught, maybe somebody caught like a 5-minute silver bullet. It's the 9:50 to 9:55. There's 10 a.m. right here. 10:05. Tapped in. And I'm on the 5-minute candle, the 5-minute 10:05 candle, tapped in. It's kind of been pushing lower. there. Um, let's see, did we get like a 5-minute PM silver bullet? Let's see. Here's 2 o'clock. Small FNG right here. Which did go back into it, but it inversed it. So yeah, the price action on the market has just been crazy. Just kind of doing its thing. So it is a Monday. We didn't have any red folder news, orange folder news. So let's just mark this for our bearish city. And sorry, fit. Take a look at it. Bearish city. Future. Was lots there. And 0-day bins thus far. Well, it's been pretty eventful. You guys can see where I think this is Asia. Yeah. Took a couple of trades. Asia. That did not work out for me. So I was a little bit in profit, but it ultimately stopped me out. And then earlier this morning, tried to take a sell after coming out of this 4-hour CB and got stopped out around here. And you guys can see where I finally got an entry at 11:59. Got in on this 11:59 candle. Took partials here, and I do have my stop in profit, so we'll see. We'll see how all this plays out. Have a couple of 1-minute busies. Have a 1-minute busy here. So 1-minute busy there. It's been tapped into once. And then have a 1-minute busy here. I definitely want to see those inverse on the 1-minute. But we should be in our last the hour of power. That's what they call it. The futures, we go into 4:59. So kind of be in the middle of a macro, but we'll see how this all plays out. But yeah, the market has just been just doing its own thing, which it always does, but I'll probably end up getting stopped out for market close. I wonder what Bitcoin is doing right. Let's take a look. Get rid of these drawings and just do a fresh outlook. So that will be a weekly algo target right there, weekly. So of course let's just say I like to see it go down and grab some liquidity or rebalance and give us some fair value. Right now it's kind of pushing lower through this daily fair value gap. That would have been my target for the day. Algorithmic wise, that should be made. So I'm saying, you just kind of want to wait to see how this daily fair value gap is, how price treats it. So we went external, and that could be the internal. We also have a daily down close candle. Really can't call that an order block because it didn't do anything. It didn't take out any liquidity. So this is just a bearish candle. I don't want to say order block. That's coming from my supply and demand days. This would be demand for me. Not a strong demand zone, but it would be demand because this is the last down close candle or bearish candle that took out this high. So that would be a demand. This indecision candle right here from Tuesday, November 19th. Could find support in that as well. So yeah, I mean, let's see what it's looking like on the intraday. Let's see. I think Bitcoin will get up to somewhere between 115 and 125 by the end of the year. Don't know, but we have reached 100,000. I think around 115, 125. You could probably see some consolidation. So let's get back over to MNQ. This is what I trade. Let's see this high. It hasn't taken out this low. And this is a pretty significant low here. 239 1 minute candle. Yeah, that wasn't even taken out. So yeah, this high will probably be revisited at the least. So maybe we'll get a turnaround there. I'll just move my stop a little further into profit. Because we day trading, so I have another opportunity tomorrow. We do get stopped out, but I don't want to put it too close into profit. So yeah, it's just been crazy. It's just been a crazy day. Just checking the profits on this. Not too bad. Not too bad. 26 points. Jimmy 26. Talking about $25 profit. So yeah, we'll see if this 4-hour maker sell model plays out. They always usually come back and stop me out, so we'll see. See what happens. Okay. You guys have any questions or comments? Other than that, I'll probably just be here until the market closes or until I get nowhere. Beautiful Florida day. Hanging out in my garage. Guys can see back behind me, but need to get some things cleared out. Just checking my phone notifications. Okay. These fractals as well. Nvidia is down 3.22%. Just try to refresh this. Show us updated numbers. 3.7. It's NASDAQ down 2.7. Dow Jones up 398 points. Wow. Oh yeah. That was just funny like that. Let's see if I was doing a weekly. Close middle. Yeah. Definitely would have expected some less price action. Down. Let's take a look at the monthly. Oh yeah, it met its downside objective. The November met its downside objective daily. Yeah, I would have been expecting that to go up too. Let's see. Let's take a look at our current dealing range. See how far this may go up. Take a look at our projections. Yep, went up to two standard deviations and got our pullback. So it's probably we'll probably see the Dow micros get up to 46,000 probably this week, next week. Just based on how quickly it's been moving. See, did it pull back? Get discount. I'm sorry to be all up in the camera. Yeah, it pulled back. Got the discount while it's pushing up. Let's see. Check OTV field. Probably just get up to $45,391. Probably get another pullback or some type of consolidation and then another push. Anybody holding Dow long term? It broke this level. It looks like we got a volume imbalance up here. Let's see price reaching for. On a 1 minute. $20,874. See that? So, but yeah, if it goes up that far, I don't see why it would come here. I really should just have my stop just above that high right there. If I wanted to try to stay in there. Might see some pressure there. I had a 1 minute breaker here. I don't know how that would have looked. Let's see, I would have been aiming for this high right here. It's like a one hour trade. Another 2 hour trade there. That's 2 hour trade right there. So I'm sure it's probably some folks that went long and they're probably looking for that. Now that's just based off of where I would have put my stop. If you would have put your stop like right below the breaker, you're talking about 10R there. Let's see where 2R would have been there. So yeah, they would have been in about 2R. So it is 1 second.
This kid got cussed out because it was a boxing game and he was just flailing his arms around.
Back up.
So the other guy, he had beaten because he was just his arms around. It was a boxing game. So the other guy that he beat, he cussed him out because he got mad at him because he wasn't actually trying.
Just uncivilized. Can't even play the game. Haven't interrupted me though. $95 in profit. I'm just gonna hold. Just gonna hold it and see what happens. See what 15 minutes looking out. really need to change that age message. I don't know why the Asian session doesn't show on Mondays. Oh man, just watching paint dry, guys. I've been talking and my mic has been muted. This is a 1 minute breaker that I'm looking at, thinking about moving my stop further in the profit. If this breaker is created. Need a close below that low. 20,855.50. I think we're gonna get it. Miraculously so. It's 4:49. We have over an hour left, so that's one kind of torn in between. My stop. I'm not. Had a breaker set up here. Not really. I mean, if you were just itching to find something, you just be like, had a breaker this low. Price came in, retested it, gave a small reaction, and it was traded back. So yeah, that breaker's not gonna work out. So we're in the 3:50 to 4:10 p.m. macro. Kind of getting a push up here. Let's see if a BISI is formed on the one within this macro time. What's up, my man? I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we'll see. We'll see if a BISI is formed. That won't be the breaker now. I was this low to go. That was just going there. Alright, doesn't look like a BISI is going to be formed right now. So that is a plus. Bring it down just a little bit more. inverse of this fair value gap. So I can respect it. Thus far. This is just a resistance to clear here. Just taking out highs, taking out highs. Alright, got another little stab into that version fair value gap. Love for that to be closed. I would love for the inversion to be inversed. Maybe get a civvy to form. Need a break. Let's see, 28.52, 28.52, 25, yeah. Need a break here, man. I think I'm just gonna move my stop loss further in the profit. And just take whatever it gives me. Move on for the next day. Because at this point, I'm tired. I don't feel like sitting here another hour. So I'm at the mercy of the market. So whatever it wants to, we always are at the mercy of the market, but whatever it wants to do, that's what I always sell. Try again tomorrow. I probably moved it, yeah, prematurely, but like I said, I'm just gonna take these profits and go with it. Testing that wick CE. And let's see. Stop out at what? So it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my chart up. And I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good one.